Backtesting plays a bigger role in your journey to profitability in trading. How you approach your backtesting shows and tells how you are also going to approach the real life market when trading live. Some people actually underestimate the power of backtesting because they don't really understand the importance or the gravity of what backtesting can do, or maybe because they just don't understand trading as a whole basically. But one thing I've come to realize personally as a professional forex trader is that backtesting your strategy is very, very important if you want to make any money in this financial market. The amount of effort, the amount of time you invest in your backtesting is what will also amplify whatever your outcome is on your trading, on your live account. If you are doing it the wrong way, it will amplify losses. If you are doing it the right way, it will definitely amplify wins. That's why I came up with this video on how to help you backtest your strategy properly and correctly. Backtesting, backtesting is one thing, doing it the right way is another thing, right? So that's why I came up with this video on how to backtest your strategy step by step guide. But before I get straight into the main video, I would like to address three sets of traders in this financial market, which are: number one is the set that does not even do at all. They do not backtest at all. Bro, I promise you, it is not a course, it is not mocking, it is not whatever. Bro, there's no way you can gain profitability, there's no way you can make money. I'm not talking about the top traders, maybe even the top traders, they still find time, talking from experience, they still find time to backtest. So how about you? What happened to you that you can't backtest, that you tell me that you are not backtesting? Like, bro, what happened? So, but that's not the point. There are some that are not even doing at all. That's the first set. And the another set is those that are actually trying their best. They are backtesting, putting in the work, putting in the effort, but they are just doing it wrongly. They are putting those efforts, those times, investing all those things in the wrong side, whereby you still won't get the results you are looking for. You just end up to realize that you are still stagnant, you are still not making any progress. It is not because you are not doing the right thing. You're actually doing the right thing, but you are doing it the wrong way. Now to the last set, which is the third one, are those that are in the middle. They are doing it but not taking it serious. They don't even know maybe they need it, they don't know the value, they are just doing it like they are not doing it. For you to backtest your strategy, it comes with three things. You are there to evaluate or to study your top-down analysis, right? I'm supposed to do a video on how to analyze, but I've already done a main video, a full step-by-step guide on top-down analysis. The video will be here. You should go and watch it after this video, or better still, I'll just drop it. Maybe I'll name 3 videos or maybe 2 videos. I'll be dropping them in the description box. You should go and watch them after this video. So there's full step-by-step guide on how to do top-down analysis there for you, right? So that is one. That's the major reason why you are there to backtest. Study your top-down analysis, know what you are doing right, what you are missing out, what you are doing wrong, and what needs to be corrected, right? The second thing is to know your win rate. All these things are very, very important. Like, whenever you want to work, you should work with a goal, work with a plan. Don't just see something and just say you just want to do this because everybody's doing it or because you just feel like doing it. You are there to know your win rate. Let me give you an example. How many times this strategy I'm using, how many times does it hit my take profit? I have a full video on that again. The video will pop up now. Go and watch it after this video, or you can relax, we'll finish this one first. It will also be in the description box. I'll also put it in the description box for you, so you should just relax and listen. So it's for you to know your win rate, know where how many times does my trade hit take profit, how many times do I hit stop loss before I see a winning trade or before I win few trades. When I start seeing that wins, how many times do I win before I start losing again? All this, you are trying to gather data, that is your purpose, that is the purpose you should work with for being on the chart, for backtesting. You feel me? It is not just because you just want to go there because you just have to do it. or because you see everybody doing it. Attach it to something important that will motivate you to want to stay there and do it. The full step-by-step guide on this video, or of this one and of this particular number two, will also be in the description box. I won't want to talk too much on it, so go and watch it also. Now, for the last one, which is the number three, is you want to know if this strategy is working for you at all. Maybe you just need some adjustment, or maybe it is just high time you just change it. You just change it. Know when to keep using something, know when to stick with something, and know when you have to throw them, know when to know when to throw them away. I also preach about stop jumping from strategy to strategy, but you should not also know when to move on when something is not working for you, bro. So because you are preaching don't change strategy, doesn't mean you shouldn't actually change your strategy. Only when you have, back tested enough, know your win rates, know what is wrong with the strategy. Only if you have used it for a certain amount of time, for a long period of time. Long, I'm talking about long period, not just a few, just few months, just few weeks or few days. Right? Those are the people we are talking to, those people that are jumping from one strategy to the other without evaluating the strategy, without practicing, without even giving it time, without even understanding anything about the strategy yet. You feel me? So those are the people you are talking to. But for you that have been using a particular strategy for a while, for months, for years, and you are not profitable yet, and it's not because of your psychology, it's not because of your risk management, it's not because of anything else, but you are still just unprofitable, bro. You have to check your strategy. You have to check your strategy and know when to stop using it. So those are the three things basically you have to work on, you have to study for you to know where you want to be at when back testing, right? So I guess that should be all for this video. I'm sure you have learned one or two things in this video. If you find value in this video, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I wish you massive success in your trading journey, massive profits in your trading journey, and I'll catch you guys on another video. Peace.